Hi everyone, my name is Mike and we're back with another tech tip video. I do have to apologize for the drop off in videos lately. Our team has been so busy taking care of our great clients that our videos have been put on the back burner, but we are back and ready to share some great info with you. Let's cut to the chase. Security is the biggest concern facing organizations today. Everywhere you turn, there's another security threat bearing down on organizations large and small, like this one here. Today, I got a text message on my phone, and the text message claimed some unrecognized activity on my account, and they needed to confirm a few things. Okay, so I bite. But please, don't try this at home. We are professionals in a controlled environment. I click on the link and it took me to a Cloudflare service to check my browser. Yes, hackers are getting more sophisticated and they're starting to use services like Cloudflare to make their scams look legit. After a few seconds, I get redirected to a Citizen Bank login page, or what appears to be a Citizens Bank login page. But look at the URL. It doesn't look official, and I don't bank with Citizens Bank. This is a scam. If you get a text message from your bank or another bank, there is a 99.99% chance it's a scam. Your bank will never text or email you out of the blue. There's no way to stop these scam attempts. This is just part of life today. If you get a text like this or an email or a phone call where it asks you to press 1 to be connected, don't act. Simply delete or hang up. Thanks for tuning in to this month's Tech Tip. We hope you get tremendous value from our tech tips, and we promise to get back on track. My name is Mike, and if we can help with anything IT related, check out our contact information in the description below.